Hi, welcome everyone to my channel. So we're going to start this session right now. So today's session, we are going to discuss about the best savings plans in this year 2024. It's an almost be completed half and off year, so remaining off years are there. So we can plan like how we can manage our savings and where we can do our savings, where we'll get a good yield and further our future. So fine, so we'll start without any delay. So just be with me and collect the information for the free. I have created this Excel sheet. Okay, so I'll just open this one. So this is an IRR Excel sheet. So this will show that, so where if you do our investments, so what are the rate of interest we'll be getting, rate of interest what we'll get, so we'll be checking here. Okay, so I have created multiple investments and what is the interest we are getting. Okay, so initially people will for savings means what they will do, they will do like a mutual fund. So initial days they used to do on a bank like FDs, like that. So I had taken insurance and all, so I have taken a comparison of this all. Okay, so here is a premium in the sense like this is an insurance plan I have just taken. So you can have a look on this. So the person who is saving the amount for 11 years. Okay, so total is saving 100 crore. For an example I'm just taking. Okay, you can calculate for 1 lakh also, this one only. So for 11 years you pay some 11 lakhs, and from 12th year onwards you will get a payout of 1 lakh 50,000. Suppose if you're doing 1 lakh savings, and this returns will be given on next like 20 years, and at the end of this 20 years, so you'll be getting the return of 11 lakhs 50,000, so as your corpus amount. So and if you come to interest, so 6% is the average interest overall calculated in this plan for you people. Okay, so 6% interest per annum. So this is the insurance plans, so currently where people many people will option. And what's the main advantage in this insurance plan is that, so you'll be having a life insurance coverage for entire duration, in the sense that suppose if anything goes wrong with your life, so whatever the amount you will be paying into 10 times of that amount will be given to your nominee. So this is the main advantage of this insurance plan. And coming to the FDs, so many people what they will do, so they will start investing on FDs also. So this is a better option also, where you will get a guaranteed return. So like for suppose if you are investing like 1 lakh for like a 10 lakhs, or for example 10 years. Okay, from 11 years if you are withdrawing like 20 lakhs 20 lakhs also, so for next 20 years, so entire amount will be, in the sense you can think this whatever the amount you saved, so that will be doubled. So coming to IRR, you are coming like interest rates of 7%, where current FDs are giving. For senior citizens, 8% rate of interest is given right now. So okay, so this is a better option where you will get a guaranteed. And some people will do stocks, stock marketing, in the sense like if you can directly invest in stocks also, or otherwise you can choose any mutual funds which are giving better interest also. So an average, so if you are like investing 1 lakhs for 10 years, so sorry, and you will withdraw 3 lakhs for next 10 years, means your amount will be tripled here. So here FD double, it is a triple, so one time more the amount will be given for you. And this interest will be coming to 12% per annum. See, this is not like fixed. So how I am taking this 12% in the sense, so from stocks and all, an average 13 to 40% returns, 13 to 14 or 15 in around it is given. So from past number of years report survey and all. So this 12% also you can take, that's as an it's a guarantee I can't able to predict. So an average it's giving. So this is also good investments. Why I'm telling this to stocks, right? So now actually our market is very fresh, Indian market. See, in US and all, so in to 100%, 60% of people invest in stocks. But in our India, so in 100%, only 4% of populations are investing in stocks. They don't know and they don't have the knowledge of investments and stock market and all. So many people will think stock market is a gambling, and like we lose the amount and all. See, if you are going to invest for 5 years more, right, 5 years and above, right, so you can trust that your amount will be not going to lose anything. So because many people are doing, so even our like I also doing. So I can give a guarantee, like if you are investing above 5 years and all, right, so your amount will be not going to lose anything. And by choosing the stocks, right, you need to choose a better stocks whose fundamental is having very good and all, so that gives a good returns. So and even I will teach you so how to see the fundamental of stocks also. So that is also very simple, like it's in hands on. Okay, so just I'll teach you how to see the fundamental of a company, and in a upcoming videos I will show you how to create a demat account at all. Simply for your knowledge, I'm going to teach you. So there is website called Screener. Okay, so you can anyone can log in through your Chrome or web browse. So this is completely a free. Okay, so you can like if once it's open, this is the interface of the website. So this is an ad company, like for a watch list. Suppose if you bought any company, so you can add a year and you can get a regular update also regarding that. So I'm going to take an example. You can search here, like suppose for example I'm going to search like Tata Motors here. Okay, so once I click on, so I'll get the complete report of that company. So you can see here. Okay, so Tata Motors is currently ranging it 952. So this is the price currently it's going on. So and you can see the market cap. So market cap is very huge here. So you can trust the company by seeing this one also, main thing. And you can see the book value, and you can see ROC, ROE. Coming days I will explain this all regarding particularly individual for you. And you can see how high the stock went and how the low. So this is the current this is the years, in a year what is the lower and higher circuited band. And you can see the dividend yield, so what's the company dividend has given, and you can see the face value of year also. And you can have here like about is there, so where you can see about the company details. You can go, if you read these things, right, so you'll get an idea like how's the company fundamentals and all, like you will get a basic idea. And you can see the key points in the sense like what's the revenue will be generated for the company for this financial year. So you can see companies generating like Jaguar Land Rover 16.1%. So many people will think like Tata Motors will generate the revenue only for like Tata vehicles and all. Yes, Land Rover also will be including for that. See, it's supporting 16.1% of their returns for the stocks, and remaining things and all you can have a look on this. So if you go to the next like chart, so you can see the chart here. So how the chart is how the company is performing. So see company, like if you I'm taking a one year of chart. So it was initially it was like on 590 on 3rd of July. So now it's almost doubled, I think. So you can think. So this has been given double returns in a single year. So I told like you need to wait for more, but in single year only, because you need to choose a particular stock where like some companies will give 6 months only double. Some companies are given 10 months, 10 years double. So that's what while thinking only you need to check. Like so this is fun. I think you can see fundamental is a little better compared to other things. And you have the companies like a debit and all like positive and negative sign also. The company is trading 3.75 73 times on its book value. So that's what I told, like book value, what's the book value. So it's trading little more on that. So you can have a look on this. You can compare with your knowledge and all. So you can go with this is the like competitors companies for this, like Ashok Leyland and all is there, right? So you can compare with the other companies PE, what's the rate of interest they are given, ROC, ROE and all. And you can come next year, like you can see the quarterly results. Like every quarterly every companies will going to publish their results. So you can see what's the sales, what's the expenses and all. So on average you can see from 2023 and all, like sales has been little increasing. So it's a good sign. So, okay, and expenses also you can see, and you can see the profit loss OPM. You can see like operating profit. So operating profit is like 17,135 crores it's going on. And you can see the profits before tax, profits after tax also you can see here. So everything like in this companies it's completely increasing. This is a good signs. So you can see this is the main things, balance sheet you need to see in these companies. Okay, and you come to the profit and loss sheet. So this is thing you can see, and company coming to the balance sheet. So you can see the cash flow, what's the cash flow is going on here and all. So this is also like increasing. So that's a good sign also. And coming to the debitors, this ratios you can see, and also shareholders pattern. So you can see the shareholder patterns. It's almost 46.36% of the shareholders. So shareholders more means in essence like they are the promoters, so who are running the companies. If their share is little like, so their concentration will be very more on this particular stocks. If the shareholders pattern is very low, so you need to think like that's not a better stock for you to enter for a long time and all. So these are the shareholders patterns names, so you can see what's the share percentage they are carrying on in the stocks. Okay, and even you can see FILs deals. So FILs is like this is a foreign investors, like government of Singapore also invested once upon a time. And even these means Indian mutual funds companies or other financial institute who have been invested in it. Even you can see LIC insurance companies is also investing on this, and many mutual funds also has been invested. And and there is also a government share also. Government of India is also holding some percent of share, and this is 18.31% is the public who retail investors will do. And coming to the end, so you can see, so every regular announcement, whatever the announcements will be given by the company, everything will be announced here. You can have a look, like the recent 1 year, 1 hour also there is a one another post. Okay, and you can see the reports, annual reports you can download, and you can go have a go through it. There is a credit rating also, and there is a calls if the company is planning any if they do the board meeting, right? So what's the call, like audio records calls will be there, notes will be there, transcripts will be there, PPTs will be there. Suppose in June 2024 they updated one PDF. Just we'll have a look on this. So what's the plan company is going to? So regularly you need to monitor in this track, so that your returns will be good. Like if anything problems occurring also, you can have a look and you can exit from that. If there is planning company is doing some good plans also, you can invest some more stocks and all, you can make some good returns also. See, this is like on 11th of June they uploaded schedule of the day, like highlights of financial year 24 demerge. See, like Tata Motor is demerging, so that's regarding this also, the news is there. So you can have a look, like you download the PDF and all. Simply if you have time, like meantime, so you have a look like what's the charts will reporting and all. So everything will be there. If you read completely, right, you will get an idea. Demerger, what's like what they are going to, like private and commercial vehicle growth stabilization for past few years. Means they are separating private and commercial vehicle also. So that's the reporting they are telling. So like you can see if demergers will happen, whatever the loopholes will be there and what are the positive poles, and also so they are focusing on like EV vehicles and all, so that all will be there. So you can have a look on these charts, like you what they are, see they are introducing some new trucks and all. So new technologies and all they are introduced, so everything will be there for further what the company is going to do and all. So you can have a look on this, and so you'll get a better idea on this. And also if it's okay for you, if it suits, like okay, so whatever the amounts if you are planning to invest in this, right, so that will be pretty good for you, so that you can have a look on with this on, and you can think of a call and you can invest on it. See, these investments on stock markets and mutual funds are completely a risk on that. You need to have a risk, but good returns will be there. So better people are taking on risk, so they can go here. Some people who are not able to taking the risk, so better go with FDs and other type of investments like insurance and all. So fine for the day. So having given a knowledge of savings for the financial year, like how you can plan and all. Okay, be subscribe to our channel, so that we'll get a more information regarding this financial plannings and relevant to stock market, FD, mutual funds, and any financial instruments and all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please kindly share this video to your colleagues and your friends. Thank you.